Mosaic Tiles Australia, and today I'm going to show you how to do a very simple coaster, which is probably perfect timing for Christmas time and a nice cheap little gift. We're just using a 100 by 100 mil square MDF board, and we're going to use some nice black glitter tiles. So this is what we're going to achieve making one of these. Okay, so start with, we're just using Wellbond glue, which is just nice and user friendly. So you just want to basically put your glue on, paste it on there, and just start doing one end, so make sure it's nice and snug down there. And these tiles I'm using on this one are black glitter 23 mil tiles. They actually fit quite nice. Another one there. And then what I'm going to do is cut. I've got some nice, in this one I've got a black glitter tile, but I might put a nice green one in the centre for this one. So these ones are 10 by 10 glitter tiles. Just cut these in half. They just go in the centre there. So basically you just follow through around the rest of your edge. So I have got one we did earlier on. That's all around. Just drying. So these are a good way of using up all your scrap glass. So it's just a matter of putting your glue in the middle, and I've just got a little, I keep everything, all my offcuts from work, I put aside and save it for projects like these. So I'm putting the glue in the middle. Okay, and we've got some shards of glass. Mirror, whatever's going, you can put it in as long as it's the same sort of thickness. So I'm just going to chop off some little scrap bits. It's okay. Right, and this one here we're just going to put in the centre, just leaving a little bit of a gap, just arrange it any way that you like. Hi. So a little blue one here. So just putting little pieces in here. You got my autograph, don't you? So just filling in the background. So it doesn't matter about these gaps in here because you're going to have your black grout that's going to go in there. So that's sort of the idea, just filling up with little shards of glass until you complete what we've got here. And ready for grouting once they're all finished. Here's a few ideas that Trish has done. Trish works here and she's very creative. She's just done some of the 10 by 10 crystal tiles using up her stained glass as well. Also the round ones are great. Same thing done with the 10 by 10, and she's got a little wino. She's got little birds in her ones. And yeah, another plain one here with the mirror. So very effective. Yeah, so give them a go, they're easy. Thank you.